The Chicco Corso LE travel system offers a versatile and luxurious experience for parents and infants alike, with adaptable configurations to suit various needs. This travel system includes the KeyFit 35 infant car seat, known for its ease of installation and top-notch safety features, ensuring a secure fit every time. Parents will appreciate the stroller's 4 different modes, along with its ability to transform into a lightweight infant carrier, making outings more manageable. Distinctive features such as premium leatherette accents, a spacious storage basket, and a zip-extend canopy contribute to the stroller's stylish and practical design. The stroller's large wheels with foam-filled rubber tires and adjustable rear suspension provide a smooth ride on uneven terrains and city sidewalks. With an easy-to-use one-hand fold and the ability to stand independently, the Chicco Corso LE travel system offers convenience and portability for busy parents.